The Viribus electric trike has officially hit the US market, ushering in a new era of eco-friendly and cost-effective cargo transportation within urban environments. Developed to address the increasing demand for sustainable and efficient mobility solutions, this innovative e-trike promises to reshape the way goods are moved across bustling city streets. As electric bicycles continue to revolutionize the urban landscape in Europe and Asia, the United States is witnessing a similar transformation, with electric mobility gaining traction across the nation. With a favorable regulatory environment for electric bicycles, the US market has become a hotbed for innovation, resulting in the development of unique appearances that cater to diverse consumer needs. Among these groundbreaking offerings, the Viribus e-trike stands out as a promising addition to the electric mobility space. The Viribus e-trike is breaking barriers by introducing a three-wheeled appearance that requires no balancing skills, making it an accessible and user-friendly option for riders of all ages and abilities. Its intuitive appearance allows users to effortlessly navigate through city streets, even in heavy traffic. Whether it's for daily commutes, grocery runs, or leisure rides, the e-trike offers a comfortable and stable experience that brings unparalleled convenience to urban transportation. At the heart of the Viribus e-trike's performance lies its 250 watts hub motor in the front wheel. With a peak output of 500 watts, this electric trike effortlessly tackles inclines and uneven terrains, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride for its users. The motor's efficiency optimizes power consumption, extending the e-trike's range and reducing the need for frequent recharging. The Viribus e-trike is well equipped to handle the demands of urban commutes and errands. Its 10 ampere-hour battery pack offers an impressive range of 30 miles on a single charge, providing ample mileage for various daily tasks. Whether it's zipping through busy streets or making multiple stops in the city, this e-trike delivers on both efficiency and practicality. Furthermore, the cargo carrying capacity of the Viribus e-trike is a noteworthy advantage. Developed with utility in mind, it allows users to carry their belongings with ease, making it an ideal companion for grocery shopping, small deliveries, or carrying work-related items. This versatility sets the Viribus e-trike apart as a multifunctional solution for modern urban living. The Viribus e-trike is thoughtfully developed to enhance the rider's experience. With a thumb throttle, users can effortlessly control the e-trike's speed, providing a welcome relief for tired legs during long rides, or when facing uphill challenges. The e-trike top speed of 15 miles per hour strikes a perfect balance between convenience and safety, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride. Additionally, weighing in at 32 kilograms, the Viribus e-trike strikes a balance between sturdiness and maneuverability. It remains agile enough to navigate through city traffic, while offering stability and durability for everyday use. The Viribus e-trike prioritizes rider safety by incorporating full LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides or adverse weather conditions. This thoughtful addition adds an extra layer of confidence to urban journeys, ensuring that riders remain visible to pedestrians and motorists alike. Viribus understands that personal style matters, even when it comes to electric mobility. Therefore, the e-trike is available in a spectrum of eye-catching colors, including classic black for those seeking sophistication, fuchsia for the bold and vibrant, peach for a touch of elegance, green for nature enthusiasts, and white for a clean and timeless look. Recognizing the diverse range of users who might opt for the Viribus e-trike, the company has introduced two wheel size options, 24-inch and 26-inch. This thoughtful approach ensures that individuals of varying heights and physical requirements can find an ideal fit that promotes comfort and stability during their rides. One of the most compelling aspects of the Viribus e-trike is its price point. At just $899 in the US, the e-trike's cost is significantly lower than most of its competitors in the electric mobility market. This affordability places the e-trike within reach for a broader customer base, allowing more people to embrace the benefits of electric transportation without breaking the bank. In a time where sustainable alternatives are becoming increasingly important, the Viribus e-trike stands out as a budget-friendly yet high-quality option, democratizing access to eco-conscious mobility solutions for individuals and businesses alike. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.